apple tree is cheating a bit because although it was discovered in the 18th century, it wasn't actually marketed until the 19th century. So Gilbert may have known of it because he went to Oriel College, Oxford, and Blenheim's only just up the road from there. It was a very fine apple anyway, and produced a pretty substandard crop this year, so I'm relying on all of you to improve things a great deal. And the ladies that dare might like to stand under this. We added that the other year by just slipping a berry under the bark there, and you'll see it in a lot of the trees. Very, very easy to do. We've counted the number of berries, by the way. If you've got your penknife with you, don't even think about it. But can you remember the rhyme? This is the question. Double volume, I can't use it. No, even try it. So, here we go.
Here's to thee, old apple tree, whence thou mayst bud, and whence thou mayst grow, and whence thou mayst bear apples in thine. Hatful, castle, bushel, bushel, sacks full, and my pockets full too. Huzzah!
I'm afraid I have to drink the health of this chase. Terribly onerous. I'll plug some more. It's got a bit cold now. I've got to keep some for the toast, of course. So. And then you're all ready to make a great deal of noise.
You ready, Ollie?
Where's the lady with the toast? The lady with the toast. Ah,
Do I?
You got to wait, Ollie.
Wait.
Nearly.
Right, are we ready to make great?
You ready?
Wake the neighbours up around Selborne because I'm sure they're having a nice rest after this Sunday lunch.
Ready.
Are we ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right.
Hey, go on, Ollie. Hit the cam.
Great stuff.